Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Coinbase gain-loss report? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see your gain-loss or profit-loss report in Coinbase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business that has to do with crypto, you want to check your yearly gain or loss to see how your business is doing, or maybe to see what your gains are. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to your gain or loss or profit and loss with your Coinbase, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this blue Manage Account button. Once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options on the left, and you want to click on Taxes. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options here at the top. A couple of different ways you can do this. If you don't need a custom gain-loss report, you can click right here on Documents. Once you click on Documents, you're going to see tax reports. So these are for entire years. So this is all of 2021, and you can download a PDF report. That's going to show all of your gains or losses for that year. Now, if you want a custom report, you can click right here on Active. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose your tax year. So let's say 2023. And to check your gains or losses, over here on the right, you're going to click on All Tax Impact, and then click on Gain Loss. Okay, so now it's going to show any kind of gains or losses that you realized in that particular tax year. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your gain loss report in Coinbase, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.